What people need to know about DUI charges is that Hillsborough County, in particular, is one of the highest charging DUI counties in the state of Florida. And they devote a lot of resources and effort into combating DUI here in Hillsborough. So what a driver needs to know is when you are stopped and you're under investigation for a DUI, generally speaking, you're going to jail, whether you take the test or whether you blow. So the decisions that you make before you drive are as critical as the ones you make after you're stopped and you're under investigation for a DUI. By submitting to field sobriety tests, you are giving the state of Florida evidence of your impairment. By submitting to a breath test, you are giving the state of Florida an ability to prove a DUI against you with a blood alcohol, breath alcohol content of over 0.08. So there are components to a DUI both in administrative court, which is the Department of Motor Vehicle suspension of your license as a result of a DUI arrest or a refusal to give a breath sample, and there's the criminal case that proceeds in county court. What you need to know if you're charged with DUI is that you're facing two opponents on two fronts. One is the criminal case in court, which could subject you to probation, the payment of fees and fines, the requirement that you attend DUI school, the requirement that you install an ignition interlock device on your car, and can also include county jail time. The administrative component to a DUI is whether or not the state of Florida is going to uphold the suspension of your driving privilege for having either blown over a 0.08 or refused after being lawfully requested to do so by a law enforcement officer. So those are the two things that we're dealing with simultaneously in a DUI representation.